LA. Jay, are you serious? You know what? It's LA. Why are you standing up? Because it's LA. You know what?
He said, why are you standing up?
Boston, Boston. It's LA.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Alright, I don't know what's going on here.
Come on, but you broke his time. No, some of the trash is like.
Be the first to know. Get the Boston 25 News app for updates.
Flowing it away.
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
Mom, it keeps saying recent items and there's nothing here.
Power it off and on. Power it off and on. Power it, yeah, power it off and on. Restart it. Sorry guys, we got a little technical difficulty.
Hello?
So guys, welcome back to my channel. I am taking my hair out. Not gonna lie, I like when I get it done, but I hate sitting getting it done or doing it, and I hate taking it out. But taking it out's not too bad because I take it out pretty fast. I know how long my hair is. I usually cut it to like basically a little bit shorter, a little bit longer than my hair is, and then I just unwind the braid and take it out. It's just annoying though because it's a process and you got to take time to do it. You don't want to cut your own hair. But yeah guys, that's my hair. And I'm taking out the braids. And I'm going to wash it, condition it, do a nice treatment on it. Put some, get some natural oils and stuff in there. Put a nice treatment in it. Leave it out for probably another month or two and then braid it back again because I try to keep it braided. It's easier to maintain. And then I don't have to worry about, because with my hair, usually what I do is I usually wet it, grease it, put it in a ponytail or gel it, put it in a ponytail. But if I have it braided, I don't have to do none of that stuff. I just freaking throw it up in a bun. Throw it up in a bun or put it down, let it weigh it down or whatever. But when I wear my natural hair, Shanti, answer the phone, Daddy. Hello? Hello?
Okay, yeah, because you have to, when I try to pay it online, it says you have to have a customer ID and a thing to do it. So, yeah, check when you do, like, if you hear that, make sure that it has the customer ID, or maybe that's the FEIN number, but I don't think so, because when I tried to insert that, it wouldn't let me do it. Okay. I'll call the place that I gave you. I'll call them. No, but I'll tell them that because they know the process. I'll tell them, like, what is the customer ID number because I don't have it. Yeah, you can have the PIN, but they'll tell me, oh, well, you use this for your customer ID number or whatever. Because there's another number you have to have, and I don't know what that is, so I'll call them.
Last night, Boston 25's Julianne Lima live on Dolphin Avenue in the city's Beachfront neighborhood. Jules, what can you tell us?
I was laughing at Brooke's chokers.
We've been speaking to people this
She's like, these chokers.
She be wearing them every day with bells on. Brianna, can you give me the oil? Some olive oil for my face? Yeah, guys, my face feels like dry. I just washed it, and it feels like I need, I have like dry skin, so I need some oil on it. I'm going to put some olive oil on it. Olive oil is good for the skin. Huh? You want it on? Well, you have to get your shower up first, okay?
And you got kids, so you think a lot of stuff about that. So
yeah, guys, so gotta be careful because too when you have the braids in it, it also gets like if you know leave it in for a while, like your hair will get like little knots with the braids, so you gotta be careful with that because you don't want to pull your hair out. So that's what I'm doing. I'm detangling it slowly because I don't want to pull my hair out around, and that's why like around the edges I don't have like the braids really tight, because if you put the braids really tight around the edges, when you pull it up and all that, it's going to pull your edges back, pull your hairline back, And then you'll be like, why is my hairline going way back here? Or my edges is getting thin because you had those braids too heavy and too tight around there. So I try to do those kind of loose around there. So that, especially when I know I'm going to put it up or something. Because they'll break off easy like that. But yep, guys, happy Wednesday. Happy hump day. Today, I'm taking my hair out. That's what I'm going to be doing today. And I just did, bless you, bud. Did some morning spring cleaning because it's so beautiful. I love it when it's like that. So I got up, cleaned off the back porch, and got rid of some recycling. I'm going to have to go to the dump because I got a lot of stuff that got to go to the dump. But getting ready for the in the springtime because I got a nice little gym back there on the back porch that we put together in 2020 when it was around COVID. We put it together when we was laid off work. Well, they put it together. I said we. I didn't put nothing together. The guys the fellas, my husband and his sons put it together. And we don't really utilize it a lot. Well, it's been too cold to utilize it right now, but and you may see like the kids, they go to the gym, but I'm about to start going out on that back porch because I got that stuff right there and work out back there. So I did back there today. Did my morning straightening up. In-home work because I work from home. I have a home-based business, so I don't, and I'm not doing any cleaning right now. I'm actually going to check my email, see if there's anybody that wants any cleaning done. Because I did apply for some clients to clean for, and I haven't checked my email in a couple of days, so I'm going to check it and see if I got any cleaning jobs out there so I can make a couple of extra dollars. But, yeah, right now, I'm going to take my hair out. Made a couple of... Didn't I tell you don't stand up there? That's why I told you don't do that. You don't listen. I've been telling him for the last week, don't stand on there. And what he do?
He's terrible too.
He stand up there. Yes, he is terrible.
My crazy big black family. Bud is acting crazy. You're not tired.
No, you're not tired because you keep climbing up on that thing, and I told you don't do that.
What?
What?
Oh my gosh, it's about to get crazy in here.
I'm not playing. Don't be fresh. Don't do it.
We'll make sure that we do
What?
everything we can to keep people safe and take care of them. What you saw in that
What?
was absolutely
You better stop that mouth. Stop being fresh.
amazing.
Budge, go sit down right now, please. Thank you.
Don't stand up there again.
Yeah, guys, so before I was interrupted, yeah, my grandson is terrible. Point blank period. There's no other way.
Terrible too.
Oh,
Like, legit terrible,
no,
y'all.
he
I'm
is
right
bad as...
Shut
You
your
feeling
mouth.
him. Terrible. And he's feeling his 2-year-old with bells on, too. So, yeah, I had to get him to a minimum because he was at his max. But, yeah, guys, I'm going to be taking my hair out, like I said, and I made some, a couple of, ooh, my hair is itchy, guys. That's the only thing, too. When you take it out, be so itchy. Woo! No, put oil in everything, and it still be itchy. I made a couple of new items and put it on Successful Wear LLC on YouTube. So, guys, if you're not subscribed to that channel, go check it out. Successful Wear LLC on YouTube. That's our business YouTube channel, guys. Go check that out. And stay tuned, and thank you for watching our videos, and thank you for our new subscribers because we've been getting subscribers every day. So thank you, and we love you for subscribing to our channel. We appreciate you for that. Good vibes today, guys. Humpback Wednesday, relaxation vibes, and hopefully my husband will get this shirt that he's supposed to be getting so I can do this client shirt. This guy wants a
Apologize to Graham. See? That's karma. Apologize to Graham.
35 minutes. 93, 495 to Lefford, 46 minutes there. We also have some delays
Say
on
sorry,
the
Grandma.
past half hour on the
Okay.
Fairmont and Fitchburg line, so check on those trains in particular.
but so I can do this shirt this guy wants. He wants it on like a baseball, one of those shirts that's like along the colors on the side, but then the white blank part. He wants a image on there, so he got to get the shirt, and then I'm gonna do that. That's a client. I got to do that, and then I think there was another guy he said, but I'm not sure, but definitely this guy. So I'll be doing that probably in the next couple of days, or probably maybe start that once he goes and get the shirt. He doesn't have to order it though, because I see that I can get it local, so I don't have to order it. But yeah, guys, that's what my vibe is. Taking out these damn braids and getting out and getting some fresh air again today, because it's supposed to be literally, I think, 75 today, and then tomorrow it's supposed to be 80 degrees plus.
Turn up.
Yeah, so I might be on the grill today, guys. Stay tuned, because I'm thinking about going on the grill. I already, I got to bag up these leaves, so I got to do that first. But I may go on the grill today, guys, for the first time this spring, because it's supposed to be so nice today, and tomorrow, and Friday. But apparently today, tomorrow's supposed to be the awesomest. It's supposed to be literally 80 plus, no rain, no sprinkles, nothing, just all nice weather. So, we love the springtime, guys, and we like the nice weather, so we'll probably be getting out there doing something, getting out, get some fresh air, enjoying the weather, starting to hit that grill up, because it's about that time. That's what we do. We love the grill, so it's about that time to start getting on the grill. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my Crazy Big Black family on YouTube. Spread the word and tell somebody all about it. Enjoy your Wednesday, guys. Have an amazing day today. Love you guys. Happy Wednesday. Bye.
But they're doing all this stuff and get money to mind you. Natural curls, natural beauty. No, it's not in here. I didn't see a phone. Did you look at it? Where was you at the table? Natural.
Well, guys, I finished my hair. I did took the last couple of braids out. Now I'm gonna take a nice afro comb it out, wash it, condition it, and put some gel in it and put it in a ponytail. But right now, I'm gonna just pick it out and take the untwist the little knots from the braids. That's what happens usually when you have the braids in it. So guys, again, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. My Crazy Big Black family.